There is strong alignment and growing momentum towards this carbon neutral future. We often talk about what will those communities and buildings of the future look like. When we do that, we think about energy efficient buildings, those buildings connected to occupants through adaptive controls, the buildings connected to each other through district energy networks, and energy being provided to those buildings and communities from renewable energy sources. And I bet all that sounds really amazing, but that probably isn't what your building looks like now. And the reality is, 2050 isn't that far away. So how do we get there? There are 4 fundamental steps to transforming your current building or campus into a carbon neutral facility. Reduce, recover, replace, and renew. Reducing energy usage is a great first step and probably builds upon a lot of the great work you've been doing now. Improvements such as LED lighting, HVAC equipment upgrades, control systems, all reduce the amount of energy that is consumed by your buildings. The next step is to recover energy that may be wasted in the building. Heat pumps are a great tool to accomplish this. Heat pumps transfer energy between cooling and heating load centers. Think about summer reheats used for dehumidification, or process cooling loads in the winter. Heat pumps can transfer energy between these simultaneous heating and cooling loads, thus reducing the overall energy usage. To say it another way, rather than operating a cooling tower and a boiler at the same time, let's take the energy that's being rejected off the cooling tower and put it back in the building and use it. Heat pumps also start to set the framework for replacing fossil fuel-based heating equipment with electric-based equipment. A common term for this is the electrification of heating. This can be accomplished by expanding the application of heat pumps, connecting systems or even buildings together using low-temperature hot water or neutral temperature loops. These loops can facilitate the sharing of energy between systems. The same heat pumps, when connected to a geothermal or well field source, can provide a fully electrified heating and cooling system. This replaces fossil fuel energy with electric energy. With the building fully electrified, we now look towards the final step, renew. This is where we shift to renewable energy sources for our electric energy. This can be done on-site or off-site. This approach also allows for changes in technology over time and can facilitate new fuel sources such as hydrogen or fuel cell systems. This can further enhance a resilient and carbon-free system. All of these steps, connected over time, provide an actionable path towards a carbon-neutral future. Use this approach and take these next steps, utilizing heat pumps for energy recovery, to move forward down this path to zero carbon.